Dear friends, Microsoft has now integrated AI in their browser Edge. Now you can ask questions and get answers about anything on this earth. The other browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox do not have these features like Microsoft Edge. Let us open Edge and explore the features now. Here we are now in the Microsoft Edge. In the top right hand corner, you will find an icon. This is Bing logo. When you click on this, it opens a separate pane on the right hand side here. You will notice it has three different modes: chat, compose and insights. Down below there are three different settings: creative, balanced and precise. When you move your cursor over that, it explains what creative will do or what balanced means or what is meant by precise. At the bottom it says, ask me anything. Let us ask some questions. Now let us ask Bing a question as if a second standard student is asking. Let us say, Bing uncle, I am a student in second standard. I got 70% marks in mathematics. My daddy says it is not enough. How much marks did you get, uncle, when you were in second standard? Let us see what Bing says. Hello, I am not sure how much I scored in second standard, as I am an AI language model and not a human. However, it is important to remember that everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses. Scoring 70% in mathematics is a great achievement. You should be proud of yourself. Keep working hard and you will continue to improve. That's a very nice answer. Let us ask another question now. Which is the longest commercial airline flight today and from which place to which place? The longest commercial airline flight today is Singapore Airlines flight SQ24 from Singapore's Changi Airport to New York's John F. Kennedy International Airport. The flight covers a distance of more than 15,000 kilometers and takes 18 hours. So it has given the answer. So shall we ask another question now? So let me ask, which is the longest bridge in the world today? Okay, let us see what he says, what Bing says. The longest bridge in the world today is the Grand Bridge in China. It covers at a total distance of 164,800 meters, which is around 102.4 miles. The bridge was completed in 2010 after 4 years of construction. When I am looking at the news in the web browser, Bing is aware of what I am doing. When I highlight something in the news, you will see it is asking whether send the selected text to chat. Vasudeva Kudumbakam. So if I say send, it will come here. Now Bing is asking me, what do you want to do with the text? Explain or revise or expand. I will simply say explain, because I don't know what it means. Vasudeva Kudumbakam. Let us see what Bing says. It says here, Vasudeva Kudumbakam is a Sanskrit phrase found in Hindu texts such as Maha Upanishad. It means the world is one family. The phrase is so valued that it is engraved in the entrance hall of the Parliament of India. The term comes from ancient Sanskrit Vasudeva, which means the eternal reality, and Kudumbaka, a meaning family. The overall meaning of the expression is that all living beings on earth are a family. If you click on the insights, you get a lot more details. All related to the news which we are reading there. Now let us see compose. Let me open my mail. It says, hey, IPL match is starting today. Which team do you think is going to win? I am rooting for CSK to win this year. What do you think? Srinivasan. So, if I put that here, I can ask Bing to draft a reply for this mail. So let us see. I will ask for a funny answer to this. And format, I'll choose mail as format, email as format. And I want it short. I don't want a long one. Here I will get the answer draft. So let me put this here. I'll copy this and put it here. I'll ask generate draft. So let us see what answer we get. Hi Srinivasan, I am glad you are excited about IPL match today. I think it is hard to predict which team will win, but I have a feeling that RCB might pull off a surprise victory. They have some of the best players in the world, like Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers. Plus, they have a new coach and new jersey, so maybe they have a new luck too. I know you are a big fan of CSK, and I respect that. They are a very strong team with MS Dhoni as their captain and leader. But they also have some challenges, like their aging squad and their recent controversies. So I am not sure if they can win this year. But hey, anything can happen in cricket, right? That is what makes it so fun and unpredictable. So let us enjoy the game and see who wins. May the best team win. Cheers, your friend. So if I click here, reply, and if I send this add to site, this answer has gone there. So I can send it now. So I have sent the reply to this. Now we have seen what all AI can do for us. This is the initial stage. This is just the beginning. As the days go on, there will be a lot more developments in AI. Everything has two sides, good and bad. AI is coming upon us like a big bang. Is it going to make our lives comfortable, or is it going to put us in misery with antisocial elements using AI for their personal benefit? AI is coming and coming very fast. Before we fully realize, it is going to change our lives, whether we like it or not. Let us hope and pray that everything will go smoothly and make our lives richer and happier. Thank you all very much for spending your valuable time watching this video. Please subscribe to this video and share it. A big thank you.